Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best wax warmer in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 6. Venco Waxing Kit. Moving on with our list, we bring you the waxing kit from Venco that is ideal for offering a great quality full body wax, from Brazilian to eyebrow wax. The waxing formula effectively delays hair growth and makes your skin look smooth and supple without hassle. It's great at removing hair from the roots without causing any irritation or inflammation. The wax warmer that comes with this waxing kit is excellent at melting the hard wax beads at low temperatures to avoid skin burns or irritation while you apply the warm wax. Plus, when you melt the wax at a lower temperature, there are fewer chances of burning the wax. Also, the wax beans are infused with aloe extracts to moisturize the skin every time you wax to avoid any skin damage and inflammation. The aloe extracts make the waxing session almost painless and are majorly effective in removing coarse hair from the sensitive areas. Furthermore, the creamy formulation of the Venco natural wax beads eliminates any type of discomfort during waxing. On top of this, the waxing kit is ideal for a full body wax, from facial wax to bikini wax, that you can easily get at your home. It reduces hair regrowth and keeps your skin supple and smooth. However, if you're not satisfied with the product, the manufacturer offers free replacement or a full refund. Plus, the customer support team is always available to answer your queries regarding the product. The electric wax heater doesn't have a digital temperature display, making it quite difficult to keep track of the temperature inside the wax pot. You can control the temperature using the knob, but without the display, you can't monitor the temperature. Plus, the wax warmer doesn't have a light indicator to show whether the machine is on or not. Number 5. LifeStance Waxing Kit. Next, we have the complete hair removal kit from LifeStance that comes with all the items you'll need to have an effective at-home waxing experience. The digital wax warmer included in the kit is excellent for melting different wax types and maintaining the right wax temperature. So, this can be your go-to wax warmer whenever you need some quick and hassle-free waxing. The wax warmer comes with a LED digital temperature display that makes controlling the temperature so much easier. It has intelligent temperature settings to set the ideal temperature for heating the wax. Also, the auto shut-off feature ensures that the machine doesn't get overheated while melting wax. What's more, the kit has 30 wax applicators so that you can easily apply the soft wax wherever you want, including the sensitive areas of the body. Not only that, but the premium quality formula also helps maintain the smoothness of your skin. Plus, the essential oils included in the kit are excellent for avoiding any skin damage while waxing. What's more, the waxing beads are perfect for full body waxing, from eyebrows to the bikini area. The all-in-one wax formula offers a top-notch waxing experience while maintaining the smoothness and radiance of your skin. Hence, you need not worry about any skin irritation or rash while using this waxing kit. With this complete kit, you can have a comfortable and enjoyable hair removal experience at home. Even though the wax heater works fine with hard wax beads, it's not ideal for melting Brazilian wax because it can get messy. So, we suggest you not use this product if you're planning to use Brazilian wax in the bikini area. Furthermore, the unscented wax beads included in the kit give off a weird odor while you're melting them in the wax pot. Number 4. GG Wax Warmer Kit. The GG Wax Warmer Kit is great at quickly melting wax beans within 30 minutes, and the fast heating makes it perfect for at-home waxing. It also comes with easy temperature control for easy and hassle-free wax melting. Hence, this multi-purpose waxing kit can be a great way to remove hair at home without visiting the salon. The wax warmer is ideal for fast heating and can hold up to 14 ounces of canned wax, making it perfect for having a professional wax session at home. It also comes with a see-through lid so that you can prevent any contamination while melting the wax. The translucent lid also makes it easier to monitor the wax while melting inside the machine. On top of this, the wax warmer has a temperature control knob that allows you to adjust the heat settings and set the ideal temperature for heating wax without any hassle. Moreover, the indicator light helps check whether the machine is working. Plus, the stainless steel surface of the wax warmer makes cleaning out used wax so much easier. The product is the ultimate waxing solution for professionals and amateurs, as it's pretty easy to use. You can easily go for a full body wax using this wax warmer right at your home. So, get ready to flaunt your radiant, soft, and glowing skin with this wax warmer kit. The major drawback of this electric wax warmer is overheating. It tends to get overheated even when set at the lowest temperature, which can be inconvenient and cause burns or injuries. Also, even though it's great at melting canned wax, it's not suitable for melting all types of wax. It might take you over an hour to soften hard wax cubes or blocks. Number 3. Eastkeep at-home waxing kit. The waxing kit from Eastkeep is perfect for removing unwanted hair from your body, even sensitive areas. It comes with a wax warmer that heats wax faster than any other warmer and works effectively in melting any type of wax. The easy temperature control helps set the ideal temperature while melting the hard wax beads. The Eastkeep waxing kit is much faster at melting hard wax beads than other wax warmers, making at-home waxing so much easier. Plus, the heat overprotection design of the warmer makes the temperature much easier to control. The auto shut-off feature helps to automatically turn off the machine when the temperature is too high. Furthermore, the only wax warmer comes with 6 different temperature levels ranging from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 240 degrees Fahrenheit so that you can choose the ideal temperature for melting wax. Also, the warmer can melt different types of wax, including hard wax, wax beads, canned wax, wax cubes, Brazilian wax, and so on. On top of this, the waxing kit is ideal for having a full body wax right at your home without facing any side effects or skin irritation. The wax extracts slow down hair growth so that you can enjoy 3 to 6 weeks of smooth, hairless skin. Hence, now you can avoid those costly salon visits with this complete kit. The wax warmer is effective in the quick heating and melting of wax, but the temperature drops abruptly once you turn it off. Hence, the soft and loose wax hardens again while still in the removable pot. Also, it's a plug-in wax warmer, so you need a nearby power socket to operate it. Number 2. Wax waxing kit. Next up, we bring you the waxing kit from Wax that comes with an electric wax warmer and a collection of premium scented wax beans. Whether it's a bikini wax, eyebrow wax, or Brazilian wax, you can do it all with this waxing kit. It can offer a great home waxing experience for both men and women. Waxing is always a great option to reduce hair growth, and with the Wax waxing kit, waxing unwanted body hairs becomes much easier. The kit comes with 4 bags of hard wax beads for facial waxing, bikini waxing, Brazilian waxing, and leg waxing. So, now you can have a fun day at the beach by flaunting your smooth and supple skin. Plus, the signature wax formula ensures that you don't have any remaining hair after a waxing session. Hence, you can say goodbye to those costly salon visits every time you need a wax. What's more, the pre- and post-waxing oil that comes with this kit are excellent at keeping your skin soft and smooth without any irritation or inflammation. Moreover, the digital wax warmer helps melt the wax beads faster without any hassle. The digital display offers precise temperature control to avoid burning and produce skin-friendly soft wax. Thus, you get to save time and money on your waxing sessions with this waxing kit. The waxing kit comes with only 4 bags of hard wax beads that are not enough to last a long time. Hence, if you're a regular user, you will need to purchase extra wax beads. Plus, the kit is overly expensive compared to similar products. You can easily get other waxing kits of the same quality at a much cheaper price. Number 1. Tress Wellness Wax Warmer Waxing Kit. The Tress Wellness Waxing Kit has everything you need to have a great hair removal experience without visiting any expensive salon. It comes with 5 scented bean bags to offer you the ultimate home wax without any hassle. The adjustable thermostat also makes it super easy to melt the wax at the right temperature and viscosity. The wax kit comes with an electric wax warmer to melt the wax and offer you an effective home waxing experience. It's great at melting wax quickly by maintaining the right viscosity and temperature of the hot wax. Plus, you can easily adjust the temperature of the wax warmer at your convenience, as it works beautifully at both high and low temperatures. Moreover, the wax warmer comes with a digital display so that you can set the exact temperature for melting the wax beads without burning your skin. The temperature ranges between 86 degrees Fahrenheit and 257 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with wax-ready color indicators. Thus, melting wax is a piece of cake with this electric wax warmer. Not only this, but the waxing kit also offers high-quality skincare every time you wax. It comes with pre- and post-sprays to prep and soothe your skin so that there's no skin damage. Also, the kit contains all the necessary ingredients for face wax, Brazilian wax, and bikini wax. So, whatever hair removal regime you need, the Trust Wellness Waxing Kit has got you covered. Even though the hard wax beans that come with the kit are excellent in removing facial hair, removing hairs from legs might need some extra work. Many customers have complained that waxing off leg hairs takes much more time with this kit. Also, the packaged hard wax beans are not enough to fill the entire container.